Hey guys, Natalie here. In this video, you will learn how to present a capacitor repair using the new flat rate. So the first step is to open up your app and go into the HVAC module. From there, you're going to go to section HN. That's where you'll find your capacitor pages. For a capacitor, you're going to use HN 13 through 15. These are your different levels of a capacitor repair. Next, you're going to walk the customer through the solution. This is where you guide the conversation. Instead of focusing on the part itself, you're walking the customer through what's happening with their system and how you can fix it. Open the page and start with the top option. As you read it, focus on clarity over speed. You want the customer to follow along and understand what you're doing for them. As you go, pause naturally so they can take it in. Then show them the full set of options on your tablet. This gives them control to choose what feels right for them without the pressure. And if you ever get stuck, call the field support line. They'll walk you through it. Did you know capacitors are a common wearable part? Replacing one can prevent fan motors and compressors from unnecessary wear. If you want to see how this works on the plumbing side, check out our video, How to Show Faucet Repair versus Replacement Options, where I walk you through that step by step. Thank you so much for watching another how-to video with the new flat rates. What should we do?